Question 9 is the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are P equal to 2i plus 3j and Q equal to I plus 4j. For a parallelogram, the area is given by the magnitude of cross product of the vectors representing the adjacent sides. Therefore, vector A, or we can say here it is P, that is 2i plus 3j cross, and Q is I plus 4j. Now we multiply, cross multiply, so it is 2i cross I plus 8i cross j plus 3j cross I plus 12j cross j. This I cross I have the angle 0 between them, and because A cross B is AB sine theta and unit vector n or normal vector, because angle is 0 for I cross I, so this cross product will be 0. So that means this term is 0 and j cross j is also 0. I cross j will be equal to k and j cross I will be equal to minus k. Hence we can write it is equal to magnitude of 8 into k minus 3 into k, and it is equal to 5k. That means magnitude is 5. We can say option A is the correct option. Question number 10 is two forces, each of value F as shown in figure. The resultant is. Here two forces are shown. One of the force is F and another is also having the magnitude F, and angle shown is 60 degree. Using the formula that R equal to root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta, where P and Q are the two vectors having the angle between them is theta, then resultant of these two vectors is R. Here vector P has the magnitude F, so it is F square. Q is also has the magnitude F, it is F square 2 into F into F into cos, and angle between these two vectors. Because we have already mentioned in earlier question that for angle between the vectors should be originated from the same point or terminated at the same point. Here the case is different. At this point, one of the force or vector is originated but another is terminated. Therefore, we extend one of the force. See this one, we extend it and having the same value, that means it has same magnitude and same direction. So these two vectors are also equivalent. And now the angle between these two vectors is the angle between the vectors, and this angle will be pi minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. So for the shown figure, the angle between the vectors is 120 degree, not the 60 degree. Therefore, substituting the value here, it is 120 degree. Cos 120 is having the value minus 1 by 2. Therefore, we can write it is 2f square plus 2f square into minus 1 by 2. This 2 get cancelled, and 2f square minus f square, that means it is square root of f square, or we can say it is f. Hence the option B is the correct option.